Wiring of KNX Devices course, as one of our new series for free KNX videos. In this video, we will explain how to wire KNX IR emitter to control devices with IR receiver. KNX IR emitter. KNX IR emitter is smart KNX device. It is used to convert the smart signals from KNX bus into IR signals. So, we can control any device has an IR receiver like TV, air conditioner, DVD, and a lot of other devices. KNX IR emitter has two connectors. The first one to connect the KNX cable for connecting the device to KNX bus. The second one to connect IR transmitter, which it is responsible for transmitting the IR codes to the device we need to control. We need another device to make programming the KNX IR emitter is possible. This device is called IR learner. IR learner is a device has a USB connector to enable connecting the IR learner to PC, so we can read all IR codes from the remote control of the device we need to control. In this video, we will use KNX IR emitter with 4 output channels. That is mean that we can control up to 4 devices have an IT receiver for each one of them, within the same range of the KNX IR emitter. Cause the emitting transmitter has a maximum range, we must take it in our installations. Second note, we will use MCB to protect all electric circuits and smart devices, so the rated current of this used MCB should not exceed the rated current for actuator output channels. Also, the connected loads should be in range of this MCB. Now enjoy watching. See you in the next free videos. Porto KNX. We make learning KNX free, simple, easy and attractive.